Welcome back. We're going to now look at some simultaneous equations, but this time using the elimination method. Our two equations are as follows. First one is 5x, take 6y equals 4. And as always, we label with the equation number, so that's equation 1. And we're going to have minus 3x plus 8y equals 2. And that's going to be equation 2. Now the trick is, when we cannot easily substitute one equation into the other, we need to eliminate one of the variables. Now we can either eliminate the x's or the y's. In this case, I'm actually going to eliminate the x's. But in order to do that, we need to get the x's to the same number. So for example, at the moment we've got 5x here in the first equation, and we've got minus 3x in our second equation. I'm going to make these x values the same. I'm going to multiply the first equation by 3. I'm going to multiply my second equation by 5. We'll then be able to add these two equations together. So let's first do those multiplications. So our first equation is going to become 15x minus 18y equals 12. I'm going to call that equation 3 because we've kind of created a new equation. Then I'm going to multiply the second equation by 5. So we've got minus 15x plus 40y equals 10. This will become equation 4. Now in order to eliminate these, because we've got 15x in the third equation and we've got minus 15x in the second equation, I'm going to add equation 3 and equation 4. We will end up with 22y equals 22. We can now solve for y. We've got 22y equals 22. Y is simply going to be 22 divided by 22, which is 1. We're now going to sub our y value of 1 into one of the other equations. I'm going to sub it into the first equation. You should write a little instruction with your working. So we'll sub y into equation 1. We've got 5x minus 6 times y, which is 1, equals 4. 5x take 6 equals 4. 5x equals 4 plus 6. Got 5x equals 10, and x will be 10 divided by 5, which is 2. Once again, we need to do our check. So we're going to check in, and remember we have to check in the opposite equation to the one that we originally got our answer. So we got our answer from equation 1. We're going to check in equation 2. So equation 2, we're going to look at the left-hand side. But our left-hand side is minus 3x plus 8y. I'm going to sub our x and y values in. So x was 2 and y was 1. This comes out at negative 6 plus 8, that's going to be 2. But our right-hand side of our equation is also 2. You can say our left-hand side equals our right-hand side, and therefore our simultaneous solution is 2, 1. And we are finished.